ProcuSign is an e-signature service that lets you upload and send documents for an approval or for an e-signature. This tutorial will guide you on how to send documents for e-signature. Start by logging in and uploading a document from your local drive. Once document upload is complete, a new page appears where you can add the persons who need to sign the document. Optionally, you can assign a signer to be an approver only. The next page lets you enhance the document with additional fields. You can add the fields for signers' initials per each page. At the bottom of the document, you can add signature field, date field, a text field for location information, and signer's name field. If you have several signers, you can add several signature fields. Once ready, you can send the document for approval by entering the email subject and message fields. You can add your reply email as well. After sending the document, the signers will receive an email with a link to access and sign the document.